What exactly are Facebook's new Advantage Plus shopping campaigns? And more importantly, do they actually work? Let's find out what Twitter has to say.
Gil David said, "Early days, but so far it's one of the best new things Facebook has done in years." Raul Isar said, "Finally seeing it hit on a couple of accounts." Dan Nunn said, "A handful of days in, but the results are very promising." Jonathan Gorham said, "Mixed results, but I'm eager to test more creative assets with them." So what is Facebook's new Advantage Plus shopping campaign? Advantage Plus is a super streamlined new campaign structure that's been testing for the last year or so. You literally have one campaign per country. You place your best performing assets in that campaign, and Facebook uses all of its fancy machine learning knowledge to automatically push the right ads in front of the right people wherever they are on their customer journey through Facebook. One thing that's super cool about these campaigns is you can actually tell Facebook exactly what percentage of the audience that you want them to target that are your existing customers. So you could say 5%, 10%, 20%, you can even say 0%, depending on whether you're trying to prospect or whether you're trying to run some loyalty programs. And quite frankly, who doesn't want a better way to prospect? The reps at Facebook have been pushing these consolidated campaign structures on us for at least a year, while the machines do more of the learning. And this is really the culmination of that. We're finally getting to a point where Facebook's literally saying, here, give us your best ad creatives and let us run with the ball. Looks pretty promising, right? But you want to know my favorite thing about this new campaign structure is that you can report on new customers versus old customers directly in Facebook's campaign manager. That's right. You can get a much better granular idea of which campaigns are actually prospecting for new customers. The best part about this, the platform will literally tell you which ads it thinks you should add to this new campaign. So you can get it up and going in a matter of minutes.
But at the end of the day, none of this stuff matters if these campaigns don't perform. So here's the million-dollar question. Do Facebook Advantage Plus shopping campaigns actually work? According to Twitter, the answer is yes.
And while I don't quite have results on how this is performing yet, I do love the simplicity. I do love the direction this is going, but like anything, any ad platform tells you, you always need to validate the results on platform with what you see in GA or Triple Whale or Northbeam or Wicked Reports or Rockerbox or whatever attribution platform you use. If you like this video and you love D2C, you love media buying, make sure you give the channel a subscribe and hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video.